Meaning of gonad.
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 Gonad. A gonad is a reproductive organ that produces gametes, sperm or eggs, for sexual reproduction. In males, the gonads are the testes, while in females, they are the ovaries. The term can also refer to the entire reproductive system in both sexes. Gonads are responsible for producing hormones that regulate sexual development and behavior, as well as other physiological processes. They play a crucial role in the process of sexual reproduction. Dysfunction of the gonads can lead to infertility, hormonal imbalances, and other health issues.